Hello everyone, my name's Lindsay, and this morning, it could be nighttime over where you are, I'm going to talk about the current Bitcoin price and possible news that may change the price in the coming weeks and months. Alright, so at first I'm looking at the Bitcoin BUSD chart here on Binance, and this is the 4-hour chart, and I'll go back to the daily first. So on the daily here we can see that we're still in this consolidation period between the 40,000 and 31,000. Okay, we did make one breakdown below the 30,000 a few days ago there, on the 21st of June, and 5 days ago, and that went right down to 28.8, about there, and it's bounced up since then. And looking at the lower time frames, I'll go to the 1 hour. So this is the 5-day period here, and so we went right down to 28.8, and so I put this Fibonacci retracement tool on there and brought it right up to the recent close, the highest close. And okay, so this green or aqua line here is 0.618, the golden ratio. So this 0.618 level is basically where we're currently at. So that just shows how wonderful this Fibonacci retracement tool is. It really does show where prices often retrace at, or bounce at, or at least consolidate at. It can sometimes go through this level. It often does go through this level, but at least it will consolidate a bit or bounce on that level. Okay, so it can be used, for example, if you're shorting up here, that level here could be, or just before it, could be a point you want to take profits. Alright, so 50% level is another level that's often, it's not a Fibonacci number, but it is often used as a take profit point. 0.382 or 38.2% Fibonacci level. This one here, you can see there's a lot of action at this level here, 0.382. There's a resistance here, and that became support, and then it bounced up again, broken through that 0.382 level here. A lot of people, including myself, thought it might have bounced from here, but no, it came through. You can see there was this a couple of pin bars there, looked like it might have bounced, but no, it came through. And so pin bars in the middle of a channel, as we've seen before, are not as strong as if it's at the bottom or the top of a channel. Okay, so it's come through that, and now it's bouncing on this level down here around the 31,288 is about the 0.618 level. We're right on that about an hour ago, and let's just see whether it bounces above. Let's see if that is the low point of the retracement. I'm not going to make any calls. It could or may not. Just a disclaimer here, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just for information purposes. Make sure you do your own research before you do any trading, and you may even want to see a financial advisor. Okay, and also I've left some information in the description regarding the disclaimer, and also regarding the sites, such as if you want to sign up to Binance, there's a link there. There's also some information on the news. I'm going to go on to the news now. So there's a few things in the news recently. So there's some talk about Patagonia to possibly accept Bitcoin soon. Not Patagonia, sorry. Paraguay. So Paraguay may be the next country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. El Salvador has accepted it as legal tender already. Okay, so there's a lawmaker there over in Paraguay, and Carlos Rejala got the laser eyes there, Bitcoin eyes there, and this is Paraguay, July, we legislate Bitcoin. Alright, so that's some positive news for if the lawmakers in Paraguay are getting behind it, it's a good thing. Okay, and we have another news which occurred, I believe, yesterday, or at the start of the 25th of June. Okay, so the monthly Ethereum futures and options to expire. All right, so that was 1.9 billion in Ethereum. So this when options expire, they have the option of whether they wanted to buy it or sell it. So it can go either way. So it's not it's not something that's definitely saying it'll go up or down. This is just saying that these options expire. A whole lot of money is going to be released, or have the ability to be released, and so far it hasn't done anything. But last time it expired, I think there was about a 6-week period where there was a gradual increase. Sorry, I'll just have to check that again. It may have been a decrease actually last time, but yeah, last time if there was a decrease doesn't mean this time there'll be a decrease in price of Ethereum. At the moment, if we look at the Ethereum prices, it's very much mimicking Bitcoin. So it hasn't done anything yet. This is the hourly for the Ethereum BUSD. It looks almost identical to the Bitcoin chart. Very similar moves there. So yeah, that news hasn't had any effect yet. So maybe next week there'll be more buyers or sellers of Ethereum. And from what we can see, Ethereum is quite low at the moment. So it's more likely, in my opinion, for people to be buying Ethereum rather than selling if they have the ability to buy it. If you go long term, you might think, oh, we're still relatively high. But if you believe we're in a bull run, which I do, then you might think it's a good time to buy again, because we've had this 50% correction and it's likely to go up again. But yeah, it's up to the holders of those options to decide. Okay, so that's all I was really covering today. Just a bit of news there about the country Paraguay, and the options expired for Ethereum, and the Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so let's just check if it's the same for Ethereum. So I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement on the Bitcoin. Let's just check if it's the same for the Ethereum. So I'll go to the 1 hour again. So this is the on the 22nd of June, I believe it was. It was the 21st. Oh, sorry, I must have said, I think I said 21st, but it's actually 22nd, yeah. Alright, so the 22nd of June was when this retracement occurred. I'm in Australia, so the time frame may be different from where you are. Alright, so go up to the highest point, which is this one just here. Bring that across. Okay, so about, a bit hard to get right on. Okay, about there. So that is the Fibonacci retracement, and okay, so it has hit this 0.618 level as well. It's a little bit lower by the looks of it on this Ethereum chart. However, the actual close, so it went through it and it closed just below it. It could actually be a little bit higher because the way I've drawn it was a little bit below the close there, but move that up a little bit. Yeah, so it's just below it. It could very well pull back above this line here. Try and get the right one. About there. Okay, so it's a bit of a pullback at the moment. And if we go back to the Bitcoin, which is the main mover of everything at the moment, yeah, so it's above the 0.618 here on the Bitcoin. Let's put a line there to mark it out a bit further. So it's touched right on that 0.618 retracement level, and it does appear to be bouncing, but there's no certainty as to whether it will push down below it later on or not. In my opinion, this could very well be a bounce, but yeah, time will tell. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and bye for now.